Another layer is flat and shouldn't be the structures layer. Unlike the landmarks layer, the structures layer has height data in its attributes. To display the layer in 3D, you'll use a command called extrusion, which displays features in 3D by using a constant or an attribute as the Z value. In the Contents pane, click and drag the Structures layer from the 2D Layers group to the 3D Layers group, placing it under the Landmarks layer. In the Contents pane, right-click Structures and choose Attribute Table. The table has 5 fields, one of which is height. You'll extrude the Structures layer with the values in this field. Close the Attribute Table. On the Appearance tab, in the Extrusion group, click the Type button and choose Max Height. For field, choose Height. Leave the unit parameter unchanged. The features are extruded, meaning they are given a height value based on the selected field. They now appear 3D on the map. Save the project. You've converted your 2D map into a scene and adjusted elevation and rendering settings to display your data more effectively. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.